To rebill previously submitted claims, you have two choices. You can do it by patient in the Patient Demographics on the History tab, or for more choices and more broader options, you can do it under the Billing menu. First, we'll pull up the patient and do it in the Patient Demographics. Homer Simpson, and then click on the History tab. Now here you see I have two charges for the same date of service. In other words, these two charges represent the entire claim. Simply double-click on one, it doesn't matter, and then click on the Rebill button. And it'll give you the option here to rebill this charge only, the one that you double-clicked on, or as you can see I have that other date of service in the claim, rebill the entire claim. Choose one or the other, and then make sure that you have the carrier selected, the correct one. And then go ahead and click OK. After you click OK, it'll rebill the claim or queue it up so you can submit it again in your claim submission wizard. And secondly, you have more options if you do your rebilling from the billing menu. Down to insurance billing, and then over and down and click on Rebill Claims. In this screen, you'll have more than just the option to choose how you want to rebill your claims, either by patient, by carrier, provider, submitter type, claim form. At the very least, you want to make sure you have your include dates. Now these are the dates that you last time billed your claim. So if I want to rebill a claim and the last time I billed it was December 1st, then you want to select your from and to dates for the same date. Additionally, you can get a little bit more particular by typing in the visit number. If you have more than one visit number, simply type in the plus sign and then continue and keep typing in the plus signs. In any case, when you're finished, click Next. If you want to see a list of the claims that will be rebilled, click here, and I have none of them for that date, so it'll give me a big fat 0, which is a good example here because if you do find the report is 0, then you want to click the back button and make the changes, either select the correct date or don't filter so much. And then I have a 0. So I'll close out, click the back button, make the changes, then click Next again. When all said and done, click Finish, and what will happen is that any claims that I have rebilled that was a success that came in that report, it'll be queued up. So next time when I do my claim submission wizard, or in this case, end of day as well, because you do have the claim submission wizard as one of the steps, they will go out automatically. And they won't show up in the Claims Center on the charge view. It actually bypasses that.